Yes, it's closed now because of the cease and desist order that we received from the Board of Health.
So Clarac doesn't, regionals does.
Well, right, but regionals was, you crashed at regionals, so you need heroin. But we got the cease and desist order, so
Yeah.
we can't do
These are my
anything.
two first trophies.
So you can't do anything. Or soon.
We'll be going there in the next couple of days, yeah.
Wow.
You know, we're not backing down. Now it's become more of a point of, all right, well, I'm going to fight this whole thing, and now I want you to shut it down because you don't do what I tell you to do. And that's really where it's gotten. That's so now even the neighbors who, you know, didn't want this are now saying it's ridiculous that it's gotten to that point to where people are calling the cops when we've been riding for 15 minutes and it's my children.